India is the world's largest groundwater user. Agriculture consumes about 89% of this water. By 2030, the country's water demand will double the supply. Groundwater depletion threatens water security and farmers' livelihoods. 86% of India's farmers are small and marginal farmers, with plots smaller than 2 hectares. Existing solutions are often designed to cater to large farmers' needs. 14 months ago, the Nudge Prize and the DCM Shri Ram Foundation asked, who will address water efficiency for the remaining 86%? In June 2023, the DCM Shri Ram Ag Water Challenge launched with a mission to secure water and prosperity for 1 million farmers in India. We sought revolutionary innovations to enhance water use efficiency for wheat, paddy, cotton and sugarcane. In just 2 months, 134 startups and innovators stepped up to the challenge. In August 2023, through a rigorous 3-stage evaluation, our expert jury narrowed the field from 134 to 46 and then ultimately to 14 game-changing organizations. These solutions cover 4 key areas: advisory and information services, irrigation as a service, irrigation mechanization and automation, and agriculture bioinputs. This cohort of 14 embarked on a transformative journey, gaining deep insights, drawing from a focused ecosystem, and enhancing their strategies through workshops and networking opportunities. In October 2023, we launched a rigorous 3-tiered evaluation system: baseline, midline, endline, to measure progress and success. The baseline evaluation, November 2023 to Jan 2024, showcased each organization's unique technologies and their focus crops, offering crucial insights into the agricultural landscape. In November, 8 top mentors specializing in strategy, water policy, sustainable farming, and technology were onboarded to elevate the contestants' efforts. December introduced our Expert Series Masterclass, featuring the Daughtry Water for Food Global Institute, tackling accounting water in agriculture. In February, the first of its kind, Ecosystem Connect event in Delhi gathered ag water leaders, showcasing innovative solutions and featuring a keynote by Dr. Ajay Shriram of DCM Shriram Limited. In April, our second masterclass showcased global water investment experts Romil Samuel, Devesh Manocha, and Yoav Hochberg. They provided crucial insights on how Indian ag water technologies can attract global investment. In June 2024, we partnered again with DWFI for a workshop on growth strategies and impact narratives. DWFI Director and Senior Research Manager travelled from Nebraska to lead the session. Later that month, in collaboration with our M&E team, we conducted midline field evaluations across 8 states, assessing 14 innovations and engaging with hundreds of farmers, marking a key milestone in the challenge. We evaluated each technology's impact on water use, productivity, and scalability, focusing on their potential to transform the lives of millions of smallholder farmers in India. In early August 2024, the decisive jury round unfolded. 12 contestants faced rigorous scrutiny, presenting their scalable solutions to a distinguished panel of investors, tech experts, and CSO leaders in high-stakes discussions. This pivotal round has led us to today, where we celebrate the top finalists, those with the most promising innovations, ready to make a historic impact on India's agricultural future. As we move forward, one question lingers: who will emerge as the winner? Yet, no matter who claims the prize, the true winners are India and its small and marginal farmers.